This is my DIY truck camper power station build project that I've been working on. This DIY power station has alternator charging, solar charging, and wall outlet charging ability that you can also use at a campground. We built in features like 12-volt sockets, USB plugs, and 120-volt outlets from a 1000-watt pure sine wave inverter. I partnered with LiTime for this build. They provide a lot of the components that are going into this power station, like this 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This battery is Bluetooth, so I'll be able to access the app on my phone and see all of the data from the battery. A PWM solar charge controller is something that we're building in. That way you could deploy a 100-watt solar panel and easily charge this thing up on a sunny day. We've got power from the panel coming in from the port, and then we have power going out to the battery. That's going to run to the bus bar. We'll also have the ability to have a wall charger. This thing is going to have a port built right into the box so that you could take the unit out of a camper and take it into the house and plug it in, or at a campground, if there's power available, you could use an extension cord and charge this up. We also have a 1000-watt pure sine wave inverter for 120-volt power. I wanted to make this as compact as possible, so this will mount on the outside, which will put the outlets on the front of this thing so that I can easily get to those. This do-it-yourself power station that can provide off-grid power for a DIY camper, a camper van, or a truck camper.